Johnny is on. Big fish. It's a tarpon. Oh, he's on the other side of the boat. Keep him off the boat. Be easy on him. It's a freaking tarpon. Be easy on him.
Is he tired already?
No, he's gonna take off.
This is about to jump again.
It's very close to the boat he could jump.
Freaking tarpon. Alright, start lifting him. Put some pressure on him. Get him off the bottom. You wanted a big fish. There he is. It's a perfect size one too. He's tiny.
20 pounder?
Come back.
Alright, reel down. Reel down. Keep your rod tip close to the water.
Let him go.
Yep. Yeah, he's good. Alright, Johnny, get your bait over here. Cast up by that grass. But you can tell when it's a redfish bite because it's just solid.
Solid? No, it's soft, right?
It's slow but steady.
Yeah, he just takes the bait slowly and then swallows.
I think that's a keeper.
Yeah, it looks like an 8. Yeah, it's probably
Borderline.
It's probably short.
You getting bites yet?
Ooh,
Alright, go get a bigger one.
Wait, maybe I'm just trying to. Nope.
That's a bite.
Just keep letting him bite.
Yeah, just let him nibble at it. Give it a little jiggle jiggle and let it sit. Let it sit.
Yeah, he's on it.
That little jiggle jiggle helps them find it.
Oh, yeah, I guess because it.
They'll see it and they'll hear it and then they'll go check it out.
How long do I let him nibble for?
If they're nibbling, bounce it. Try to get away from those little fish and let it sit. Then the red will come take it from them. They're in there.
Just got a bump.
Redfish. A little guy. The big ones don't want to play. I'll throw it up on that grass line because I was getting a lot of bites. There's got to be more.
Where that swirl is right
Yep,
right there,
there's a lot of fish
There's
up.
a whole bunch in there. Where is that mullet?
His big brother's got to be in there.
Is it a mullet?
Yep. Behind us. Johnny said, don't forget about me back here.
Nice blue one.
Just had to catch a little dink. We're going to catch the big one. Right?
Already.
I'm thumping like a cat, so I think it is a smaller red. Yep.
Oh,
That's actually not that small.
that's a drum, right?
That's a black drum. Keeper one. See, that's what I was saying was stealing our bait was small black drum. Those small,
Oh,
soft.
good ones.
Yeah, these are good size ones. That'd be a good cooler filler.
They taste good.
Oh yeah, these are amazing.
Sheep's head, right? Basically.
No, they're like redfish. They're good eater. That's
As long as they're striped,
that's a good eater size.
so they must be schooling around.
Yeah, I bet there's a bunch of them because we're getting tons of little bites. Perfect 18-incher. That's what you want. Snook. Giant snook. You're gonna go around the boat. Johnny, get out of his way. He's coming.
He's going backwards.
This giant fish. Keep your rod low. Oh, it's not as big as I thought he was.
A slot fish.
Yep. He came in easy.
Smacked it.
Good pitcher fish.
Part of the ice.
Because he's going to be 30 inches long. And on a bad day like this, we're not going to have much to keep. We're about to get soaked. I'm trying to plan what I'm going to do when it starts raining. I got to turn the boat around and hide under that thing. Man, we got a tarpon and a big snook though. Those are good pictures. It's going to look like a decent day on Facebook. We need one big red for a picture and then we'll have a nice post.
You got a redfish on right now. I'm not getting figure out if it's all good.
God, here comes the rain. Alright, I'm going to turn the boat around. I'm going to start preparing for rain. I think we're about to get soaked.
Might just be a passage.
Grab that strap. Just hold it like right there. When I spin us around, it should block the wind from us. You having a blast?
The snook was worth it.
We're hiding in the little tent we made. It sucks. That's a big old red.
Oh, yeah, okay.
Holy cow.
That's like a 30 something.
That's a big old, I told you, at any time, right off that grass patch, right where I said he would be.
Think they're schooling right there?
Yeah, throw another one in. Johnny, last time we were here, we caught 12 in a row like that.
Oh my god.
He's too big.
Yeah.
Big old fish. That's a tournament fish, dude. Open the bell. And if this is a perfect 20, it's gonna be pissed if I kept it.
That's not
He's too big.
This is probably
He's a fat one.
Good picture though. Honestly, I think our luck is gonna change. We don't have to get desperate. I think we're about to catch a bunch of them.
It's biting, so.
So when they nibble at it, just lift it slowly. Uh-oh.
that's not
Red.
came off the rock.
Let's put up a fight like it's a keeper.
Well, it's definitely a keeper. It's just
20 incher. I got 2 reds. Good job, Johnny.
yeah. See, caught it on my own.
Yeah, I didn't have to hand you the pole. Can't say the same for Joel.
I know, right? I'm bad luck.
I missed it.
Is that a keeper?
Yep,
Yeah.
he's right at 19. He's a little guy.
Big enough.
Just barely legal.
Really?
He might be 20. He is fat. He's got some weight to him. The Yankeetown Reds are fat.
They're fat. That one's fat.
20. Good job.
Yeah,
Good
maybe
fish.
it's
But do you see how we were chasing those waves?
Yeah, there's a red one.
And it was a redfish. It wasn't a drum. Good timing.
Might be short.
It's really? Nah, he's a keeper.
It's a big spot.
That's a huge spot.
It's an 18 incher.
Yeah, he's a keeper. You got a shrimp ready?
I threw it.
It's right there, 9 o'clock. I mean, yeah, 9 o'clock, straight over there, to your left. That's a giant.
Yeah, I see his little fin. So don't cast yet?
You gotta make the perfect cast.
Right in front of him, right?
Throw it past him, and then reel it on the surface until you hit him with it, and then slow it down.
I'm not gonna throw it yet.
Alright, launch it. Alright, reel it into him. Keep it high, keep it high, keep it high. Keep it high.
Tail right there?
Massive triple tail.
Wait, this floats up in the water?
Yeah, it's playing dead.
You gotta make a good cast, guys. Come on. Keep it up high. Don't let it sink. Keep it on the surface. Real slow. Slow, 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 slow.
Me?
Yeah, you went behind him.
I'm in front of him
If you make a bad cast, just redo it. You don't get many chances. You gotta do it in one cast.
now. Okay, right here.
That's perfect cast. Slow down. Slow down. Right there in front of him.
So just let him see it now.
He sees it.
He bit.
Hook is if you feel him.
I didn't know he snatched it.
A huge one, dude. That is a fish of a lifetime.
Did you have to with him?
Good triple tail, dude.
Oh my god.
This is a big one.
Oh, jeez.
Good fish. All right, lift up, lift up. Get him off the boat. You gotta lift him up.
Nope, he's running again.
Dude, that's a giant.
Oh my, this thing is so strong.
Yeah, I know. Keep him off the boat. Get him on surface. Ah, triple tail are powerful.
Oh my god.
I love triple tail. Lift them. Come on, dude. Lift them straight up. There you go.
Oh,
Beef.
all right.
That is a good dinner fish right.
Holy moly.
Well, you guys have everything in the cooler
How
now.
big is that one?
That's a 22.
Wow. So imagine a 26.
Oh, I just broke.
See?
Wow.
Yeah, we caught a 26 a couple days ago. But that's a giant.
Right there.
Jiggle it. He didn't see it, read it. You'll know when he sees it. He'll turn.
And he'll swirl a little bit, right?
Yeah, he's coming right up to the top. His head's on the right. All right, throw it. You gotta keep it on top. If you can't see your shrimp, you ain't gonna eat it. All right, start ripping it. Right there. Okay.
Slow down a little bit.
No, keep it up high. Keep jiggling it. Now slow it down. He's going for it. He's going for it real slow, real slow.
Yeah. Nibble, nibble, nibble. Think he's got it?
Keep reeling. Hook is. Got him.
Oh, he's small.
Yeah, he's tiny, but you're getting good practice now. That's all.
Yeah, this is fun.
Yeah, you're getting good practice.
Oh my god. Try to flip him in?
Yep.
Alright, Dad, heads up. I'm still flipping him in some move.
Joel,
Be careful.
Yeah, be careful of his gills if you do grab him. I would grab him by the pliers. Yeah, he's literally right in front of you. Easy peasy. That's gonna be an easy one to catch.
Don't say that yet.
Drop it on his head.
On his head?
Right in front of his head. All right, reel. Easy. You got him. You got him. Hook is. That's so easy. That's a big one. That might be a keeper.
I'll wait for the net.
That might be a keeper.
Oh, nice.
I can't believe you didn't see that fish. I'm like, it's right in front of you.
It's such a bad angle.
That's a good fish.
Think it's a keeper?
Look how fast he runs.
You saying? Yeah, I could not see that thing at all.
And he's a good sized one and you didn't see him.
Yeah, no, this is like...
He's following it. Just keep real slow.
I gotta redo it.
Dude, he's following it. Gonna get you on video. See the cast. Precision. Oh, nice. Yep, he's got it. Got him. I love that. I love watching that gobble.
It's like every single time.
That's all. It's not a bad size one. They're fun size, but they're all like 17 inches. Just a hair too small. Oh wow, he's bigger than I thought.
I think he's gonna be short.
Yeah, he's gonna be 17 and a half, just like the last one.
Look at Joel, the Tripletail expert.
Yeah.
I just know how to cast. Like the only thing I'm really good at.
Came off.
Right here, off the back.
Shrimp, we need shrimp.
Are they black drum?
I don't know. Shakes like a black.
Oh, I missed it.
You beat yours too, right? It's coming.
I just hope they're not jacks or something. I know I saw black drum. No, farther out.
Way out there.
Yeah, they're way out.
Oh, we have to go chase them.
Trying. There they are. Big wave.
See, right there.
Oh yeah, they coming towards us?
Yeah. Yeah, they're 2 feet off the nose of the boat. They're huge too.
Bull reds or drum?
Drum.
Going.
Yeah, you got one. You both got one?
I don't know if it's the same one though.
No, you got different fish. Found a drum school while tripletail fishing out here.
See that one right there trying to run away?
Massive drum.
Mine is still.
No, but yours is.
I think mine is tangled with yours.
Yeah, see? See what I mean? Maybe I have one under you though.
Alright. Chaos is done. Now we got 2 fish. Camera difficulties, line difficulties.
Are you even reeling yours in, Dad?
No, I'm letting because I want you to get in first.
Oh, okay.
Alright, bring him over. Start pulling left. Keep him off the boat.
I'm trying.
Well, now you get to see what a big drum feels like. Reel down, reel down, reel down. Keep your rod close to the water. There you go. Little baby drum. But these are still fun fish. That's why a 33-inch fish. He's a good size. There we go. All right, open the bill for me. There we go. Did you think those fish were that big?
No, they are huge.
They didn't look that big out in front of us though.
Not that big.
They're
Oh,
massive.
look at a little remora too.
All right, let's get Johnny. I don't like keeping them over 30 inches. That one's too big.
There's got worms.
Johnny's might be small enough.
Also, what do you do with all this meat? Yeah, these things.
This
are
one's
massive.
big.
They get bigger than that?
Oh yeah, way bigger. All right, he doesn't like the net. Got him.
You think this is smaller?
This one's way smaller than his.
Oh wow, yeah. No way, but
Yours is a baby Johnny.
I can't reach it though.
Yeah, we got a triple tail right here on our right.
the white one's floating up.
Yeah, he's right there.
I can't make that guess yet. Got a pretty small shrimp.
And the waves are hitting him now and it doesn't even phase him.
You got it. Oh,
He's going to the right. He's still there.
that was on top of him.
Oh, you scared him.
Right over the grass patch. Throw it right into the grass patch.
We're drifting at
Over.
it, so you gotta hurry. He's sitting on the left side of that grass patch right there.
Alright, Dad.
Hit the left side.
Yeah.
There you go.
Now,
Good catch.
Reel it on the surface.
Reel it into him.
Fast. It's not fast. Oh.
No.
Dad, you gotta reel faster than that. Is he still there?
Yep, he's sitting right there on the left side of that.
Going down.
Yep, he just tapped it.
You got it?
Yep.
From the tower.
It's small.
That's funny.
Oh, that's small.
Yep. Really small.
Nice.
Nice patch of grass. Took a little bit of it though.
Triple tail from the tower. Easy.